25 days to go for me to go on mission to Guinea-Bissau. Crazy. Oh my goodness. 25 days to go for me to go on mission to Guinea-Bissau. Isn't that insane? I mean, that's less than a month. And I've already cried. I'm not even there yet, and I already cried, yes. And I cried while I was running. Thank God that I was running because I was sweating. And then the tear just collaborated with the sweat. So that was nice. But like a crazy lady, I was crying and running while I was listening to a podcast of one of the founders of the organization that I'm going with. And I will put the link somewhere, yeah. And because the pod, it's very nice. I haven't finished it yet, but it's very nice. And there was this moment that he was talking about that feeling of the feeling of being at the place, or the first time feeling of being at the place that you were called to be, practically. And that reminded me of my feeling I had that after so many years saying, I want to go and do voluntary work in some country in Africa. I want to go, it's there. I want to go. And then when I finally went and I was there, that feeling was so good. And I cried a lot in Malawi as well, like a crazy lady, sitting in the back of the bus and looking at the stars in the car. So many times I cried, and that reminded me that, well, last year of that that fire being ignited again and calling me again to let's go. I realized like last week that I'm going back. So I'm going to another country now, but I'm going back to do what I'm called to do. Not that I'm not called to do whatever I'm doing now. That as well. But yeah, no, just that feeling of just being there and doing that. Yes, I'm going to cry a lot. I probably need to bring a lot of tissues. I'm going to cry a lot. I hope nobody films me because I cry very ugly. Uglily. Yeah, I'm an ugly crier. But yeah, I just wanted to say 25 days to go for me to go mission to Guinea-Bissau. And I'm very happy for you that you do not live with me, because I yell like this a couple of times a day. But